Welcome to Goalie's PIP Academy.
Have you ever seen a kite flying high in the sky on a windy day? Maybe a simple diamond-shaped kite, dancing left and right in the breeze? Now imagine a kite that looks more like a flying box, a strange geometric shape that doesn't flap wildly, but glides smoothly and steadily through the air. That's called a box kite, and it's one of the most fascinating kite designs ever created. The box kite was invented in the late 1800s by a scientist named Lawrence Hargrave. He wasn't just playing with kites for fun, he was trying to understand how flight works. In fact, his work helped inspire the early development of airplanes. So what makes a box kite so special? Well, unlike traditional flat kites, a box kite has a three-dimensional shape. It looks like an open box or two square frames connected together. There's no single flat surface. Instead, it uses its shape to catch the wind in a clever way. Think of it like this. Instead of just pushing against the wind, the box kite guides the air around it. This creates lift, the force that pushes it upward into the sky. And here's the amazing part. Box kites are incredibly stable. That means they don't wobble or spin as much as regular kites. Even in stronger winds, they can stay steady and balanced, almost like they're floating in one place. Because of this stability, box kites became very useful, not just as toys, but as tools. Before airplanes were common, scientists used box kites to lift instruments into the air. These instruments could measure things like temperature, air pressure, and wind speed. It was like sending a mini weather station up into the sky. The design of the box kite also played an important role in the history of aviation. Around the same time, inventors like Wright brothers were experimenting with flight. The stable structure of box kites helped scientists understand how to build aircraft that wouldn't tip over or lose control in the air. Now let's talk about how a box kite flies. When the wind hits the kite, air flows through and around its open structure. This creates pressure differences that push the kite upward. Because of its shape, the air flows more smoothly, which helps the kite stay balanced and resist sudden movements. It's a bit like how modern airplanes use their wings to glide smoothly through the air. Even today, people still build and fly box kites, sometimes for fun, sometimes for experiments, and sometimes just to enjoy their unique look in the sky. They can be made from lightweight materials like wood, fabric, or plastic, and they come in all kinds of sizes and colors. Some are simple, while others are beautifully decorated works of art. So the next time you see a kite flying high above, imagine a box kite, steady, strong, and quietly gliding through the wind. It might not look like the kites you're used to, but it helped unlock the secrets of flight and brought us one step closer to soaring through the skies in airplanes. From a simple box shape to a big idea, the box kite proves that sometimes, thinking outside the box starts with flying one.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.